Welcome everyone. This is a walkthrough of the event Trade-A-Byte, which is supposed to happen at 3 p.m. Tune in. As soon as you click on login, you have to register with the same. You have to log in with the same account that you registered your ID with, registered your team with. So in the dashboard section, your team name, your team code will be visible to you. On the bottom right corner, a rulebook will be visible to you. Every round of the event, you will be provided with a different question, which is based on random. So this question will be visible to you in the question section. In the marketplace, we have a large variety of components that you can buy from. These are the components that you'll use in your code. So buy wisely. You have been provided with a given amount. You have to buy components within the given amount. So as soon as you uh, type the number of components that you have to buy, you go to the cart section, and here you will be given with the total amount of components that you have bought and the current balance that you have. So as soon as you click on buy now, your transaction will be successful. So now if you go to the inventory section, the components that you've just bought, the amount that you've used will be deducted from your current balance, and the components that you've just bought will be visible to you. So now in the question section, the components that you've just bought will be visible to you. You can Here you have to input the components that you're going to use in your question. So if my question requires 2 for loop, I'll input the number of for loop that I'm going to use and I've used in my question, which will be 2, and I'll upload the file that I have created of my question and I'll submit that file. Please remember to input the number of components that you've used in your question for the for loop, while loop, etc. Trading is a very important part of our event and it has two options: initiate the trade and send trade request using a code. In initiate the trade, you'll be provided with a code which you have to send to other teams. In trade history, you will be given with the trade offer that you're going to send to the other team. Your transaction code will also be visible to you. If you go back to the trade initiate section, the other team you're going to send the code to will go to the send trade request using code. Here they'll input the code that they'll input the components that they're going to request, the amount they're going to request, and the amount they're going to offer, and the components they're going to offer. They're also going to input the code that the other team has sent them, and then they'll send the trade request. So the team which provided them with the code, which is the team by Sushila Kaur here, will get the trade request in the trade history section. They'll go to the info section. In info, they'll get the components that the other team is requesting or offering, the amount they're offering or requesting, and they can either accept or reject the trade. On accepting the trade, the team, Sushila's team, the components from Sushila's team will be deducted, and the components from Rishabh's team will also be deducted according to the trade request. So here you can check in the inventory. The components that Sushila offered Rishabh have been deducted from inventory.